Welcome to Divine Dine. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare pineapple PATISAPTA at home. So let's begin. Fry half cup chopped pineapple with cinnamon and a little bit sugar. Fry them until it changes color. Take a bowl to make batter. Take 1 cup flour, 3 tablespoons Rava, and 4 tablespoons sugar. Now gradually add water and make a flowy consistency like this. There should not be any lumps. Cover this batter and keep aside. Now take a pan and add a little bit ghee. Pour the batter to make the PATISAPTA. Cover the pan and let it cook for 1 minute. Now open the cover and add ghee on the other side of the PATISAPTA. And flip it. Now put it on a plate and add the fried pineapple over it. Roll it like a PATISAPTA. You can also garnish with chocolate syrup. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Share this with your friends and family. Definitely try this delicious recipe and give your feedbacks in the comment section below. See you in our next video. Till then, bye.